Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a search bar or a search functionality on your Wix site. So let's get right into it. Now, once you're in the editor for your Wix site, what you're going to want to do first is go into the app marketplace. Once you're here, you can then search for one specific add-on which we will be using, and that add-on is the Wix site search. There is also standard site search. I haven't used that, so I don't know how it works, but Wix site search is quite perfectly fine. Now, I'm pretty sure this should already be installed on certain sites. For example, if you created a store site, it'll already be installed, but as you can see, it's free to install as it is an official add-on by Wix. So just click add to site, and after it authorizes and, well, runs the installer, as you can see, it will install that add-on to our site, and after that it will create a search bar. Let's just wait until that finishes. It shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. As you can see, it is going relatively quickly, and there we go, it is fully active. And as you can see, it has added a new search page or a search results page, just like so, and it has added a couple of different pages as well. I'm pretty sure it added the members area and the members page as well, but as you can see, it'll add a search bar, and I'm pretty sure it'll add it to most of your pages, if not all of them. And as you can see, it has added to, I'm pretty sure, all of them. And whenever you search something here, it'll take the user to the search result page, and it will, of course, show all the results of the search. You can also edit what the search will show, and I'm pretty sure you can do that by clicking the search bar as well as the search page. As you can see, you can go to settings, you can manage search results from here, and you will be taken to the page, and you'll get this search results pop up where you can manage the settings by going here and showing hidden pages through SEO. You can show other pages, reorder everything if you want to. You can set up the display, the layout, and the design to whichever you want, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.